Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can transfer balance from Citibank app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now for that matter, simply go ahead, open up your Citibank app first of all. Then go ahead, tap on this sidebar option at the bottom left. Right after you have done so, you're going to be finding this kind of interface which shows these options right over here. And as we highlighted, we can find this option of payments and transfers. That's what we need for our international transfer. So we can tap on payments and transfer. Once you have chosen the payments and transfer, make sure you have selected to other bank account. Right, once you have done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now you're gonna go to from, and you're gonna select from which account you would like to transfer, and you're gonna tap on please select beneficiary to the account that you would like to transfer the money to. Once you have selected both of the accounts, at the amount section, go ahead, enter the amount correctly and tap on continue at the bottom right. Then you will have this service of IMPS, which is immediate payment service, and NEFT, which is National Electronic Funds Transfer. Now go ahead, look it up, and which one you would think is perfect for you. Simply go ahead, choose that particular service and tap on it and confirm the transaction. Now through that service, your money will be transferred to another bank, and you can simply ask a recipient afterwards for the confirmation letter. So that is how basically it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.